We're going to be talking about my oil prediction. You're looking at the oil charts and you're looking at my graphics that I made for exactly this month, starting from May 16 all the way to the end of May. So in the previous updates we saw this, the first circles in the first weeks. We saw how it was 100% correct. For example, you can see the uptrend right here, which happened on May 16 exactly as I predicted. Another one by May 17. Not really as dramatic as some other predictions that I made, but nonetheless they're having a 100% prediction accuracy with these circles. Now today we're going to be looking at all the way to the day of the recording of this video, which is May 27, and many things have already transpired, so I'll be making just a little context. We'll start with this circle right here, which is a red circle for May 20 or 21. So basically this means that there will be a downtrend by May 20 or 21, with possibility of high volatility on May 20, or also a range, meaning that the price doesn't move much either up or down, just kind of stays static, So let's see how this day develop. You can see right here the day starts on May 20, and you can see a clear downtrend very slowly, especially in the first hours, but in the final hours you can see the downtrend really manifest and materialize without any kind of doubt, right? Now 21 also sees a downtrend. You're seeing right now the day starts right here, and you can see a downtrend with volatility, some recoveries, but nonetheless continues dipping down and reaches this day, which is May 22. Now May 22 has a yellow circle, so it means that the day is going to be very volatile, or is going to be very rangish. It also means that since the next circle is also a red circle, it will be the developing trend for the next one, right? So this circle is going to be, this day is going to be the day that develops into the next one. So you can see right here, May 22 starts with some volatility, starts to recover, makes you can see right here a small resistance level. Nonetheless, continues dipping lower. You can see the lower lows break even further down, and by the end of the day, it stays right here. So it was a downtrend with some volatility, as you can see in the first hours. So again, this circle again stands correct, 100% correct, but let's see how the trend develops for the next ones. So you can see May 23 starts with a big jump. You can see right here, peak around the 8 hours in the day. You can see a big jump, but you can see immediately after a big falling down, right? You can see the price fall down almost immediately and dramatically, even lower. So we're starting to see the downtrend materialize right here, right? After that, after these hours, you can see the price kinda stabilizes, kinda stays in range, doesn't change much. And you can see right here by the end of the day, the trend for May 23 has materialized 100% correct. So this circle is also 100% correct, as you can see. Now let's look at this, the final day, which is May 24. May 24 was also included in this circle, but also is the opening day of this next circle, which means that there will be a downtrend by May 24 or 25. So you can see the circle already fulfilled itself, 100% accuracy. So we're going to look at the next one, May 24, 25. May 24 is a clear uptrend. I mean, there are no words that I shouldn't be adding much context to this. I mean, look at this. It is a very clear uptrend. from the day it began, from the initial hours to the final. It's a very clear uptrend. Now, of course, I'm including part of May 27 because May 24 ended right here. But it was a clear downtrend, uptrend nonetheless. You can see it's perfection. Now, this means that this circle was not correct at all because this predicted a downtrend and we got an uptrend instead. Now 25, the market didn't open on 25, so we only get 24 for this one. So far so good. Only one circle in the entire prediction has been wrong. This is not a problem. We're looking at always in my predictions, they are always above 80% accuracy, so this is not an issue at all. And that's it, guys. I mean, we're going to be looking at the final days as we approach the end of the month. Lots of volatility, could go either way. In my case, already the prediction already fulfilled itself. I mean, made lots of money on the openings and the entries on my exits, all planned out, and my prediction stands correct, which is what I want. Correct most of the time, all of the time, with most accuracy, many times with 100% accuracy. That's all I care about. So anyways, guys, like and share this video, subscribe and comment what you think of this, and I'll be seeing you guys next time as we grab around the end of the month. Take care.